Okay, what is up with all these fucking 1050s tonight? It's fucking New Year's Day. It's only been New Year's Day for a few hours, and everybody's always wrecking their shit. This is like the third hardcore crash I've witnessed. Nah, that was epic. Oh, you guys probably didn't get to see it. There's like, it was a fellow running the, let's all be honest, boys. It was a fellow running the red light, and that's what happened. One beast pushed another beast right into that pole.
You're a goddamn cunt, Honda. Honda driving in this weather like this shit. Cutting in and out. Not using a blinker lead. Fucking trucker in the middle of the road. What the fuck is wrong with you guys? You just park in the middle?
And asshat trying to exit out of the quick trip. So that happens frequently.
Pulls over, shuts the car off, and slams a beer. They go, hey, you're still in the car. Now, you're saying, says Steve, what if he jumped out of the car? Well, court didn't buy that. So
Nobody wants to go. Never do.
Apparently
They never do.
The shot with a dash cam. Privileges and to pay some
No plate on the Tahoe.
And he thought the case should have got thrown
And an expired paper plate from 2018 to my left on the Chrysler 300.
We won't go there today.
Take a look, see it. I even cleaned the windshield off for you. Chrysler 300. Expired paper plate 6/9 of 2018. You see the date on the cameras is correct. This is 2022. Almost 4 years.
If you legitimately can get me those transcripts, email me, steve@lateslaw.com, and I'll pay you for them. I'd love to see those transcripts. I'd love to see them. But I can tell you that when it comes to urban legends, unfortunately, when you start poking at them to figure out how much truth there is to them, there usually is none. And if you don't know this, there's an author named Jan Harold Brunvand. He's
running the red light.
He's written a series of books.
I don't know why she won't go in it now. It's too cold for her to not be. Wonder how accurate it is, or if it's like my talk to text where it's drunk half the time.
Running at the stop sign by a mile. Didn't even slow down. Ran the red light too by a mile. That's fella's gonna fella.
There'd be no reason for it to supplant Delta, unless it basically becomes almost like an infection
stop,
of
bro.
preference for the vaccinated.
Wow, how did this happen?
I don't know. She was on her way to work, and he hit her.
Who's this
So,
guy? Who's this guy? Does he work here?
She works here. That's my relief.
Well, I know that, but who's this guy?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I ain't say nothing to him, cause I was out here taking pictures. I did not say nothing to his ass.
All of their talking points were all written before January 6th, which is why they have not changed. They can't change the narrative. They can't change. They're all
these motherfuckers running the fucking traffic signals.
Yeah, but you guys do what?
Ran the red light.
Motherfuckers are blocking the intersection. Yeah, looks like somebody T-boned somebody. Oh yeah, they're right in the middle. So somebody either went when they shouldn't have. I don't know who. If it was the Jeep. Well, they're still in their cars, so I'm assuming it's fresh and they're... But you know what kills me? Is in the city they don't move their asses. Like, there is a rule where if your car is capable, you're supposed to move it out of danger. Some of them do, they take off. Well, it looks like some people are just kind of driving around them. They're taking an awkward left. And I'll have to drive in the far right lane instead of my left lane. Less than a mile. I'm at the Quick Trip on Vanderbilt. You guys just squeeze your ass on in there, don't you? Look at this dumbass trying to squeeze her ass and then couldn't.